Check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. It's busy Sao Paulo Street. We're next to Sao Paulo ruins. Just try to walk across. And actually our goal is to actually go down Sao Paulo Street. And that was kind of the start of it. Sao Paulo Street is going to be very, very busy, very crowded. But we're going to capture that too. So that's Sao Paulo Street. The music is because it's holidays. It's December 25, to be honest. So I won't film this, I won't upload this on Christmas Day, but it's from Christmas Day. The filming day is. So we're actually going to walk down this street, which is St. Paul Street. But this is also St. Paul Street over here, so I'm just going to show you this real quick as well. But this is also St. Paul Street too. You got these beautiful buildings like the Starbucks and kind of these shop house style. So I'm not going to walk down this direction of St. Paul, but but St. Paul turns into another street. Kind of where these taller buildings end, about 7 to 8 minute walk. We got this one, the ruins of St. Paul souvenir shop. Let me just use that as a so St. Paul is the church that we saw up there. And we're going to walk through the busy part of St. Paul Street. A lot of people today. Everywhere. The signals are to let people go through. We're gonna go the other way in a second, but I just want to capture it by looking at the crowd. There's the music back that way. And that's the crowds that we're gonna walk through right there. It's been yelling for a while, the guy in yellow. Okay. So we have some serious crowds to contend with. Got the music in the background. It's kind of cool because people right here, right about the spot, is when they first see that the ruins is straight ahead. So they bring out they'll stop and they'll take out their cameras. So it's kind of cool, kind of interesting. And then this is the bottleneck spot right here, so this is where it's going to get a little bit hard to maneuver. You can also see other people straight ahead too with the cameras, so it's kind of photogenic. That's really popular over there. Let's just take a quick detour. So yeah, that's St. Paul Street. We're just gonna walk up here just briefly. There's also all these little tributaries everywhere, so I just thought I would show one off. It's pretty busy even in this little space. Huh. I filmed this one not too long ago. Why are they in the long lines? But St. Paul is our target street, but it's Christmas Day. They're all lined up to go to where? Oh. Look at that. Matcha Cafe Moco. Like a Christmas thing going on there. So I guess it's a Christmas ice cream. It's got mocha ice cream, so it's like a green ice cream. That's kind of cool. So yeah. Huh. I kind of wouldn't mind filming the street now, but
ice cream.
So there's one right there. So they got their doing Instagram with green ice cream, and mocha ice cream. Well, that's kind of cool. This whole street is filled with it. Very Christmassy. Yeah, this is Fortuna Street. It's a little bit unfortunate because I got to finish my street, but it feels like this would be a good street to film right now. The end of the street is just down that way. So yeah, that's St. Paul Street. So Paulo ruins straight ahead. That's kind of cool. So I think what I'm going to do is I think I might end my St. Paul Street because this is kind of interesting. I'm going to do a Fortuna Street. And then we'll do Fortuna as a separate one. So yeah, St. Paul Street. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. So the end of St. Paul Street would be that yellow one down that way. So we're gonna end up. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.